This is our quick change system for M4 GBB for WE, VFC, GHK, MOA, yeah, and it works like this. You don't need to change any internal parts. Just we are just selling this, the adapter and the rail, and it just like this. And then if you buy another sizes, you can change to other length of the barrel. We have 4 inches, 7 inches, and 9 inches. We also have a new compensator with barrel for the VFC 19X. It's specially fit for Gen 5 for the shape of the slide. And this one is for Block 70 Gen 5. It will be coming soon next year. That's it. Yeah, that's it for this year.